welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been posting much. It's just because my phone broke and I haven't had anything to film, but we're going to be doing a video today. So this video is going to be, I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. So yeah, because I just got brand new fidgets, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you all. Well, not all of them. I'm probably going to need a part 2, but 7 of the box coming. Which I'll show you that. I'll probably need a part 2 because I have a lot of things in this box. So yeah. First we have mochis. We got blue little bears. We have little cats. We have another little bear here. We have some. I think this is the hedgehog. I don't know. But that's not the hedgehog. That's the hedgehog. So yeah. Moving on to this. It's a little pineapple squishy. That's super adorable. So yeah. Next we have this amazing top. That's amazing. It has little imprints of apples, as you can see. And it's an apple. And it's a very good pop. So yeah. Next we have another poppet. It also has little imprints of a unicorn, and it's a unicorn pop. That's a pretty good pop. Okay. We have another poppet. Oh my goodness, we have so many poppets. There's pineapple on it. And by the way, they all have it on both sides. So, yeah, that's a pretty good pop. Okay, so we have this fidget here. We also have a blue one. They kind of like stick together like this. Okay, let's put those to the side. Those are pretty nice. We have, this is going to be a while. 1 second. Just going to get them all. Okay. So I got them. They're little monkey noodle fuzzy things. I don't know really what they're called. They're monkey noodles, but they're fuzzy, so that's cool. So on the side, we have these 2 squeeze toys. If you have never had them, you should get one. And they're really hard to squeeze if you don't know. So yeah, let's do one more thing, and then we're gonna have to have a part 2 because my iPod's about to die. So yeah. We have, these are not monkey noodles. I just tried to put them monkey noodles. They're wacky tracks. I have 2 of them, but I already have them, so that's not much of a deal. So this is the last thing. Stop calling them monkey noodles. Yeah. That last thing, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and bye. Bye.